What to do with your funny doesn't work. And this is why speakers hesitate and end up with something that's just dry as dust. Well, if your funny doesn't work, congratulations, you're just like the rest of us. How many things work the first time? Humor, try a recipe. Did you nail it the first time, every time? No. You do it, and you do it again, you change a little bit of this, a little bit of that. That's what jokes are. Humor is a team sport. It's you and the audience. The only way to know if something works is to try it, because the audience will give you that reaction. One of the best things I learned in stand-up was to record myself every single time. If you can, even on your phone, whatever it is, even if you're not officially recording something, just to get an audio recording of yourself, record it on your phone. Because I can't tell you the number of times in stand-up, let alone speaking, but in stand-up, you'd think, oh, this didn't work. It didn't get a laugh, didn't get anything. And then you listen back to it, and you realize, oh, it did get something, it was just a little light, so maybe it needs something to dial it up, but it did get something, I was on the right track. Or what you can also hear is maybe you've stepped on your own laugh. Maybe it was about to get a laugh, and people are sort of going, oh, that's ha ha ha, and they're about to laugh, and you've stepped on it. So if your joke seems to not get a laugh, it might just be that it got a quiet response, or it might have been absolutely fine.